independent living, nobody interferes with you. And that attracted me as well in the beginning. If I had been living perhaps in a bungalow or a house, I would have been a very lonely man. But living here, I'm not so lonely, and trying to get used to living alone is a bit of a problem. But people ring me up and ask me to come for a coffee. We have a vibrant coffee shop here. There's a lot of things go on in the nuns' chapel, as we call it, a concert hall now. So you're never short of company here, and you would not be lonely. So if you get fed up in your apartment, you have the lovely residence lounge that you can sit in. We have bingo nights in there and we have a laugh. My doctor's just around the corner. We've got a lovely hospital in Naas. You've got all the shops. And one day when I can't drive, it will be fantastic because there's buses going everywhere, even to the airport. So never short of company here. Whereas if you were living alone and you're getting on in years and you're getting up to your 80, it can be very lonely, especially if you lose your partner. We were here for, I suppose, 3.5 years before she actually had Alzheimer's. And she was very happy here. I think preparing for old age is important, and a lot of people don't prepare for old age. They wind up living in a 2-story house, and perhaps one of them, I have an example of a sister-in-law who can hardly walk now, has difficulty in getting upstairs and had to get a stair lift. So people usually don't prepare for old age, and I'm glad that I came here, and this is ideal for elderly people here. It's ideal. People feel safe here as well. I mean, there would be a lot of convents, for instance, lying vacant in a lot of towns, and we've had people up from Bandon in Cork, from Cove, from Clonakilty, from Kilkenny. Loads of people coming to see this model. They see a convent going to ruins, which this convent was until Margarita got hold of it. And this would have been, that convent over there now would be probably falling down.